Hello everybody, it's Stephanie with Coco and Allie, and I've got to adjust my camera. Coming to you with our Manic Monday live craft. So we're doing a Dollar Tree craft tonight. Y'all know how much I love the Dollar Tree crafts. And I'm starting with this little welcome ring from Dollar Tree. And it's just it was gold, but gold's not my color, so I painted it black. Just with some black spray paint. And it's just a metal ring, and then it says welcome in the center. And we're going to make a little wreath out of it. For those that don't like the big, overstated wreaths, this is a nice option for you. And I've also got this doily from Dollar Tree. It's in the ivory color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over with the good side facing down. Welcome, welcome everybody. And then I'm going to glue this doily to the top of it by just doing a small bit of glue around it. So I'm just going to glue a little bit at a time and put it on here. You know, stick my doily to it. And you want your doily, you know, kind of tight. You don't want it real loose on here. So glue and lay basically is what you're going to do. Alright, I'm almost done with this part, y'all. Alright, so there we have it so far. Now I'm going to just trim the excess off with my scissors. So I'm just going around and just trimming it. Right at the edge. Okay, so that's it so far. And I realized when I was trimming that I kind of made a boo-boo. I should have put my greens on there before I put this on here and glued it down. So I'm going to have to see if I can pull it back some. And then re-glue it. All this greenery and these burlap leaves came from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to take my little wire cutters here, and I want almost the whole stem on there, so I'm just going to cut part of the stem off. I'll cut more off later if I need to. See, like that. I want them on there like kind of like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some, I've just got this, sorry y'all, a really loud truck is going by. I've got this floral wire from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut me a piece of it. And I want this kind of centered on the bottom, so I'm going to make sure I have it in the center. And then put my wire up through there, like that. And then just wind the wire around it, y'all. And I don't need that much wire, so let me cut it a little bit shorter. And I'm just winding this wire around it. Just to make sure it's secure. I could have glued them, but I was afraid it wouldn't be secure enough if I just glued them. And then just, you know, work with them, twist them whichever way you want. And you can glue it, you know, like I'm going to glue this leaf down because he keeps wanting to turn the wrong way. Just to get it how you want it. However you like it. Okay. Oh, that's looking cute already. So this is what we have so far. And then I want to take, well, I'm going to wait. I'm going to do the bow first. The next thing we're going to do is make a bow. This is what we have so far. Next thing I'm going to do is make a bow. And I've got my favorite ribbon. Y'all know from Dollar Tree, the burlap with the lace on it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I didn't even have to cut that. It came right off. So, and then I've got the regular burlap that doesn't have anything on it. Also from Dollar Tree. All right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, so what I did was I took that and I folded it over once and then over again, so twice. And then I'm going to take my second one and do the same thing, but I'm going to make it a little bit smaller than my first one. So fold it over once, like I have it here, and then fold it over again. And so then you just lay it, your second one on top, like that. And then take you a pipe cleaner or a piece of wire or a piece of twine or whatever you have. You're going to fold this in half like this. And then you're going to take your wire, pipe cleaner, whatever you have, and put it on there. Flip it over to the back side and then twist. So just twist, twist, twist. All right. And then you're ready to fluff it. Let's see if I want to pull that up or down. I think. Okay. So my little tails that I have, you can see them there. I'm going to dovetail them. And that's just where you fold your ribbon in half and cut it at an angle. And then it looks like that. All right, y'all. So let me just shape this, get it how I want it. All right. So then once you get it the way you, pretty much the way you want it, just take your wire, your excess wire, and wire it on top of where you wired on your greens. And y'all, now that I have it on here, I'm just shaping it some more because I flattened it out. Y'all, is that not the cutest? And everything on here is from Dollar Tree except for my lamb's ear. I got it at Hobby Lobby, but I only paid $1 a stem for it because you get it. It's like $1.99 or $1 whatever, and they have their little half off sales, so you get it when it's on sale. All right, y'all, there it is again with my string of glue. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Love you guys.